The way high blood pressure kills, that is the same way low blood pressure kills. And so many people are dealing with this and they don't even know who to run to, because high blood pressure actually have cure, or let's say has a treatment, medication for it, but low blood pressure is a bit dicey. So today I'm here to teach you some things you can do if you are dealing with low blood pressure. And some of the signs and symptoms are like fatigue. You're always fatigued, you're having dizziness, lightheadedness, you are always having headache, and you feel like fainting at every little thing. You just feel like fainting, and maybe your doctor might have diagnosed you of hypotension, that's low blood pressure. Now you might be having an electrolyte imbalance, that's between your calcium, your potassium, and your sodium. They call it hyponatremia, hypocalcemia, and then the other one, which is the I've forgotten about the term now, but I'll just continue. So, what are the things you're supposed to start doing to help you combat this low blood pressure? Number one is to look into your food. Some of your food might be very low in vitamin B12, iron. These are the things that makes up your red blood cells. So I would encourage you to eat more of fish, egg, and also if you can take vitamin B12 supplement, it will be very, very, very good. You can also incorporate sea moss into your diet. And when you are taking sea moss, you can take it with coconut water and a pinch of sea salt. Yes, such that it's going to help you balance your sodium level. Now, another thing I would definitely encourage you is hydration. But when you are hydrating, don't just drink water. You need to do what they call mineralized water. And I'll teach you how to do that for you suffering, dealing with low blood pressure. So, you know, basil leaf, right? Holy basil. The Africans call it scent leaf with ginger. So you can blend a tablespoon of ginger and at least 1 to 2 handful of scent leaf. You blend it either into a paste or into powder and just keep it in your cupboard. A teaspoon, put it in 2 liters of water that you're going to hydrate during that day. The ginger is going to help for blood circulation, and then the scent leaf, also called holy basil, is called adaptogen. This is a very local plant that will help you to deal with stress and also help you for blood circulation. Another herb that is very good for people dealing with low blood pressure is ginseng. Combination of ginseng and sea moss will do magic for you. But then I need you to understand that sometimes some of you, the low blood pressure is as a result of low sodium. Some, it might be that your blood volume is very low. So you might need to know what is causing that hypertension for you to know the best remedy to use. But generally, I've given that recipe. But if yours is as a result of low blood volume, go and look for sorghum leaf. Sorghum leaf and beetroot will really, really help those people that are suffering from low blood volume, especially if you are a woman. You know, every month we lose blood. How do you make this? Just one beetroot, you can juice it or blend it and then boil the sorghum leaf, a hand bunch with like 1 liter of water. You can mix it with the beetroot, put it in your fridge, and take 100 ml every day or 100 ml every other day. That will go a long way for people that their hypertension is as a result of low blood volume. Also, try as much as possible to eat food that are high in iron and vitamin C together. You know, food like if you are taking um, beetroot, you should at least put it with orange or apple because of the vitamin C that it contains, so that the iron will be properly absorbed in your body. Another thing I am also going to encourage is, please, please, and please try as much as possible to make sure that you exercise a little. This will help you to increase blood flow towards all parts of your body so that you don't feel dizzy all the time, because if oxygen it does not flow properly, you always be feeling tired. Then the last but not the least, to end this video, I'm going to give a juice recipe, and I call this just a very very regular juice recipe that you can find anywhere. So that sorghum leaf tea and sea moss will give you energy. For blood circulation, ginger, coconut water and sea moss will do magic. But in case you don't have any of these and you know you don't have money to buy any of these, I would just encourage you to do more of ginger, okay, and eat lots of vegetable, because vegetables also contains iron and vitamin B12. Vegetables like ugu, water leaf will do well for you. So if you're trying to get any of those products, be it CMOS, be it ginseng, or any thing I mentioned here that you might not be able to know the best vendor to buy from, you can send us a DM and we'll tell you, we'll recommend the best place to buy it if we don't buy it. So please share this video to anybody you think might need this information. I know there are few people that are dealing with hypertension, but trust me, it's a big struggle. And then I will also encourage them to also put reasonable amount of sea salt. Now, not table salt. Sea salt contains other minerals that table salt does not contain. Table salt only contains sodium, but sea salt has magnesium and other minerals that will help you to regulate your blood pressure. Then last but not the least, please, I hope you know your baseline blood pressure. There are people that on a norm, their baseline blood pressure is within 100 to 60. So that you don't get false diagnosis, and most importantly, pay attention to your body. I will still repeat myself. CMOS and beetroot is going to automatically increase your blood level, also supply iron to your body. It will also help you with potassium. It has over 92 minerals. So instead of trying to buy different supplements, just go for CMOS. And if you are on this page and you are dealing with hypertension, whenever you buy products, please tell my reps that you are entitled to free recipe so that it can help you. Thank you, and make sure you share this video to someone that might need this.